In today's video, I'll be showing you 2 ways you can find an accredited employer that can sponsor you to New Zealand. Hi everyone, good morning. This is a follow-up video from my last video I made on Saturday. A lot of people have been asking how they can find an accredited employer. An accredited employer is an employer that has the license to be able to help you migrate to New Zealand. And I listed the websites on how you can find that employer on that video. However, I'm going to show you 2 ways in which you can find an accredited employer. So basically, when you find the jobs that you need on the websites for New Zealand for foreign trained workers, then before you apply for the job, you need to check if that employer is accredited so you don't waste your time. If the employer is not accredited, then you would not be able to move to New Zealand. So you need to check on the websites the name of the company that you've seen the job listing to be sure they're accredited, and then you can proceed to making your application for the job. Here are 2 ways you can find an accredited employer or sponsor for New Zealand very fast. If you're an immigrant job seeker, let me show you 2 ways to do that quickly. And the first way is to go to the immigrant website where there is a list of accredited employers or sponsors. These are people that are allowed to employ immigrants or foreign trained workers in New Zealand. So when you go to Google, search for the list of accredited employers in New Zealand and you will find a page where you can search for those employers. On that page, you can use a keyword. For example, if you're in construction, type in the keyword construction and search, and you will see a list of accredited employers who have construction jobs for people in that field. And you will get a whole list of accredited employers. There are thousands of them. If you're in hospitality, search for hospitality roles. If you're a nursing assistant, which we all know as healthcare assistants, search for it. And then what you can do is to target those employers directly with a direct approach. And here's a second way you can find an accredited employer. Once you have a list like this, take one of those names of those construction companies and find their Google page. For example, here is a construction accredited employer. All I need to do is to find them on Google, get their website, and then find their LinkedIn page. On Google, once I'm on LinkedIn page, you will see a button that says follow. If you click the follow button, LinkedIn automatically again presents you with other employers just like them, and then you can add these employers to your list as well and target them directly. Of course, you can cross-reference those ones that come up here on LinkedIn with the list of targeted employers and accredited employers to see if they're accredited to sponsor immigrants. I hope this helps, and I hope this explains how you can find an accredited employer. If this video was of great help to you, please do well to like, comment, and share to others. Feel free to subscribe. Have a lovely day.